Hello everyone. My name is Erwin Thomas Wilson, and today we will be talking about yet another interesting topic that is in criminal procedure code, and that is search warrants. So now let's go into depth about search warrants. Let's begin with the simple question: what is a search warrant? So, as per the law dictionary and as observed in different judicial decisions and judgments throughout the timeline, the term search is the simplest language or in layman's terms, it means an action of a government machinery to go look through or examine carefully a place, a person, area, object, etc., in order to find anything concealed or for the purpose of discovering evidence for a crime. So, the search of a person or vehicle or premises, etc., can only be carried out under proper and valid authority of law. So it is also well established that search should have a nexus with the crime. So it cannot be a random search. So a search warrant is a written order which is issued by a judge or a magistrate or a court to a police officer or any other person authorizing them to conduct a search of a person, location, or vehicle for evidence of a crime and confiscate illegal evidence of a crime also. So, Section 165 of CRPC provides for the circumstances and the way in which search is carried out by a police officer. So, a police officer, while making an investigation, should have reasonable grounds for believing that something very necessary for the purpose of investigation into an offense or a crime which he is authorized to investigate may be found in any place within the local limits of the police station in which he is in charge. So he is also required to make a record in writing specifying his grounds of belief and why the search was conducted in the limits of station. So now let's moving on. Let's see when the search warrant is issued. So now we will categorize this question into two parts. So there are some circumstances and conditions when a search warrant is issued by a court, and there is another section, another category in which circumstances and conditions under search in which search warrant is issued by the magistrate. So let's look into both. So when does a court issue a search warrant? So uh, a court issues a search warrant in the first cases where a court has reason to believe that a person to whom summons or orders under section 91 of CRPC and a requisition under section 92 clause 1 is addressed will not produce the things or documents as required. And the next one is where the thing or document in question is not known to the court or to be in the possession of any person. And the third one where the court considers that the purpose of an inquiry, trial, or other proceedings will be served by general search or inspection. So now let's see under which all circumstances a magistrate issues a search warrant. So if a district magistrate, a subdivisional magistrate or magistrate of the first class gets any information and after enquiry of the same thinks it necessary or has reason to believe that a place is being used for the deposit or sale of stolen property or for the deposit, sale or production of any objectionable article or any such objectionable uh, article which is deposited in any place, he may authorize any police officer by way of a search warrant. That is the first one. The next instance is when any newspaper, book, or document, wherever printed contains any matter, the publication of which is punishable under Section 124A, 153A, 153B, 292, 293, or 295A of Indian Penal Code. Such the sections I have mentions sedition, defamation, etc., etc. So uh, the state government may, by notification stating that the reasons for such action, declare every copy of such newspaper, book, or document to be forfeited to the government. So, and the next instance is if any district magistrate, uh, subdivisional magistrate, or magistrate of first class has sufficient reason to believe that he can issue a search warrant to a person against a person who is kept under confinement for an offense, that he can direct the person to whom he issued a search warrant to search for the person so confined. So such a search will be made in accordance, and if the person shall be immediately taken before a magistrate. So this is the instance. It defines wrongful confinement, and the next one is power to compel restoration of abducted female. So, if a magistrate may, upon a complaint made on oath of the abduction or unlawful detention of a woman or of a female child under 18 years of age for any unlawful purpose, make an order for the instant restoration of such woman to her liberty. So it is also issued to such female child to her husband, parent, guardian, or other person having lawful charge of such child, and can compel compliance with such order necessary by using sufficient force to restore the abducted females or the child. So now let's see what is the constitutional validity of search warrants. So the entire procedure specified on CRPC uh, is based on the principle of justice and fairness. So one of the basic principle of legal jurisprudence is that a person accused of any offense, with this theory only, that there are provisions in CR any I lost track, sorry, any offense, accused of any offense should be given an equal chance to be heard and to defend himself. So it is compatible with this theory, the justice and fairness theory, uh, only that there are provisions in CRPC related to the issue of process provisions in section 161 clause 3 and also section 162 of the code. So similarly, upholding a similar proposition, the protection against incrimination has been provided as a special fundamental right of the Constitution of India. So, in several cases, the constitutional validity of search warrant has been questioned. So, in the case of V.S. Kottanpilla versus Ramakrishnan, wherein it was opined by the court that a search of the premises occupied by the accused does not amount to compulsion on him to give evidence against himself, and hence it is not violative of Article 20, Clause 3. So, guys, this is all about search warrants. It is a vast topic, so I only talked about a glimpse of it. So feel free to comment about the topic. Thank you, guys.